Hi everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots, Zone 5, and it is winter, and I wanted to do kind of an intro to the winter sowing and kind of tell you guys more of what it's about. A lot of people are very confused about it. They don't understand when I tell them on the boards out there. They get a little cranky about it. So with winter sowing, what you're doing simply is utilizing nature. You're hitchhiking on the back of nature. And what Mother Nature does is the seeds will drop from the plant and go into the soil. They'll be in a dormant state, and with the freezing and thawing and freezing and thawing of the soil, it stratifies those seeds. Um, so, you're saving yourself a lot of time there. And then the seeds, when the soil warms up, the seeds start to germinate and they start to grow, they start to sprout. With winter sowing, you are just creating a smaller climate for those seeds to do what Mother Nature's doing. You're letting Mother Nature do it. You're just creating a small little greenhouse for that to happen in. This I'm comparing to people who are buying stands, and then they buy grow lights to put on the stands, and then chains for the lights to go up and down so they can be close enough to the seedlings to give them the light that they need. And then they need trays, and then above the trays they need heat mats. And then they have to worry about diseases and fungus and rotting, and did the power go out? Are they warm enough? You have to worry about all these things, not to mention the cost. I mean, that's a lot of money, plus the cost of running the lights and running the heat for the mats to keep the seeds warm enough to germinate them. And then you have to worry about, well, did I start the seeds at the right time? And have to count back and all that stuff. And that's good. I've talked about doing that with the seeds that you start inside. But with winter sowing, you just do it at your leisure throughout the winter months. So whenever you have a moment where you're like, oh, it's snowing out and I want spring to come, and you winter sow, and you feel like you're moving forward towards spring and getting ready for spring, and you got that mojo going. So it's so much easier. And this right here, I know it looks kind of funky, this is it. You can use any type of container that is clear or close to clear. I mean, this isn't too bad. This will work. This has worked for me. Duct tape and putting your holes in the bottom for drainage and your seeds. This is it. I mean, the only thing I really have spent my money on is the duct tape, the starting medium, which is vermiculite. I use vermiculite. It's natural. You know me, I'm organic. So, and then the seeds, if I don't gather the seeds myself, which I'm doing more of each year, I'm gathering my own seeds and then checking them if they're viable before I put in any type of order for seeds. But I have found some pretty good places to buy seeds, which you can see in my my other video. But anyways, watch this video, especially for those of you who are not getting it. That I know I've had one woman go, but I'm in zone 7 and I don't get enough, it's not warm enough, it's too cold, it's da 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 da. And we move so far away from nature that we don't understand that nature does a better job than we do. nature has always done a better job than we do. So why not utilize that? And besides the fact of you being in zone 7, I'm in zone 5. You know, I've got almost 2 feet of snow outside right now, and I've got my containers out in that snow. So, all right, I'm done ranting about that. I'll have my other videos linked to this one. This is a segment on winter sowing. I'll have different parts all the way through the spring so you guys can see my results from doing this. I get like 85% of germination rate as compared to, I don't know what people are getting inside anymore. I don't even pay attention to that unless it's my peppers. Peppers won't winter sow. I haven't been able to get them to do it. But anyways, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if any questions you got, put them down below and I'll answer them. And I'll also give you my other links to where you can find me. I'll see you guys in the next video.